I changed the name of my firm several years back from just, Charles D. Wilder, PA, to Estate Planning and Legacy Law Center. And people have asked me, well, why did you do that? Or what is legacy planning? And many people don't realize that most estate planners and what most people think estate planning is only about the financial assets. Money, stocks, land, things of that nature. But is that what the older generations think? It's a very interesting study that I read one time by a life insurance company that kind of did a survey of baby boomers and the older generation and what they thought were the most important things about their legacy to pass on. Baby boomers thought 77% of them thought that values and life lessons were the most important part of their legacy to pass on. Interestingly enough, 77% of the elders thought the same thing. 65% of the baby boomers thought that instructions and wishes to be fulfilled were the most important, or one of the most important things, and 53% of the elders thought the same thing. Personal possessions and of emotional value was high on a lot of the list, 30-some% for both of those groups. And interestingly enough, only 10% of the baby boomers thought that the financial assets or real estate were the most important part of the legacy to inherit from the older generation. 39% of the older generation felt that that was the most important thing. And that kind of fits because the older generation went through the Depression and all those kinds of things, and passing on some kind of financial legacy is very important to them. But the overwhelming numbers show that that's not the most important thing. And so part of what we do when a client shows the interest is help them verbalize what they think some of the important things are that they want to pass along, and then we can build it right into their estate plan, put it right into the documents in their own words, set it apart in a text box so it doesn't affect any of the legal validity or anything like that of the document, but pass on their values, their important things in their own words.